So you might be in a position where you just got action blocked on Instagram. Now, this is pretty crazy because you have to have been doing some pretty wild stuff to get action blocked on Instagram, or you could have just done some stuff that's kind of considered spamming. So essentially, you have to look at it through Instagram eyes. If you created a new account, or if you recently just did some things on Instagram, like you were, following a bunch of people at one time, or you were commenting a bunch of things at one time, or different things like that, or potentially if you were going against Instagram's terms of service, which specifically state against things like spamming and against things like bot activity or things even like harassment and bullying, those things that are against their terms of service, Instagram, even if it mildly detects it, they will go ahead and create some sort of action block or they will shadow ban your account. Now, an action block is a little bit more popular. These specific messages aren't as relevant, I think, as they used to be, but still some people will run into it. So the main thing to keep in mind here is, for one, if you were recently doing those types of things, like you were doing a lot of bot activity, like you were doing a bunch of following a bunch of people at one time, like a random stuff, follow for follow kinds of posts or whatever, Instagram will go ahead and not only create an action block, like, block you from doing certain things, they might even ban your account, to be honest. So consider yourself lucky. What all you need to do is just kind of wait it out, give it in a couple hours, a couple days, don't do anything on this account, and then a few days later, Instagram will go ahead and reinstate your account, and that's all you're going to have to do. You're not going to have to do anything. So just try using different apps, try going on Twitter or Snapchat or TikTok, and try to lay low on Instagram, not use this application anymore. Now, if you think this was actually, you were totally fine, you didn't do anything, and you may think it's a fluke, what you can always do is you can click on this report problem right there. And what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and give this little thing over to Instagram, and you can go ahead and basically state, hey, this wasn't me, this was a glitch or something like that. And sometimes they may be able to let you off the hook, but again, if you actually did this, they're going to look at your account and be like, no, you were actually doing it, and then it's just kind of a waste of time. So if for some reason it's happening to everybody, you can always update your Instagram account, or you can just wait until Instagram fixes the issue, and that's another thing you can try doing as well. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.